What's the deal, everybody? It's JT back with a new video. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 in a single day with affiliate marketing and Google search. So if you're new to my channel, I post videos like this, ClickBank, affiliate marketing, CPay marketing, and other make money online videos like this on a regular basis. So like this video, subscribe to the channel right now, turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I release my next video. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into it. All right, so the strategy we're going to be using is Google PPC advertising. Basically, you get the bid per click. So, for example, if you want to run an ad targeting people who search how to make money online, how to make money online for beginners, you can run an ad targeting those specific people and pay per click. Now, the good part about paying per click is you get to pay for whatever you want. So you can have the most targeted ads ever. Like, for example, if we go take a product from ClickBank, let's say, where's that product go? Battery reconditioning. It's a battery reconditioning course where basically teach you how to bring dead batteries back to life. Now, what you can go and do is create a Google ad, for example, saying, let's target in people, let's type in battery reconditioning. Literally that simple. Battery reconditioning method or something like that. So we just type in a broad keyword just so you can see. We got a YouTube video coming up first, and if we scroll to the bottom of the page, you can see it's ads right here. Car battery reconditioning. There's two ways you can go about it. You can go about it by using keywords that people that's interested in battery reconditioning and searching for. So how to recondition an old battery reconditioning course, or things like that. Or you can go and run ads targeting the actual product name. So this product is called Easy Battery Reconditioning. You can literally create an ad targeting people that's searching for easy battery reconditioning. Now, why this worked is because it's the most targeted. These are people that's literally searching for the product that you have to offer. And when we go and generate a sale on this, we get paid, what is it, $50 per sale. It has a gravity of 189. That means that's 189 different affiliates who recently made a sale from that product. So this is a high converting product. The best converting products on ClickBank at least have a gravity of like 50 and above. You can go 30 and above, but 50 and above is really like the sweet spot. Converting offers. So like I was saying, all you're going to need is a list of keywords to target. So for instance, you can go and make a Google file targeting, okay, easy battery reconditioning, easy battery reconditioning reviews. Let's see, easy battery reconditioning method, how to recondition batteries at home. You can literally target that. And what I recommend doing is making a list of 10 to 30 different keywords that you can go and target. And of course, you're going to need some ad copy. Now, a good thing is, which I'm about to see if they have it or not, some affiliate offers, like on ClickBank, like the Easy Battery Reconditioner, if you go to the affiliate page, they more than likely have ad copy that you can use. They got keywords that you can use. So they pretty much give you everything you need to succeed with pay-per-click advertising, whether you're doing Google PPC or Bing PPC, no matter what it is. So let me see. Here's a review style landing page where they just go over. Of course, it's going to be a good review. And at the bottom of the page, get instant access. You can see, more than likely, it's about to take us straight to the offer. Boom, take us straight to the offer. So they set up is, sending people to the easy battery reconditioning review, because, that is a good chance that, if they search in easy battery reconditioning, more than likely they just looking for a review. They know what it is. They just want to know more about it. So this is a good way to go about it, is creating a simple article landing page, informing people more about the product so they can make an informed decision. And when they decide to, they can click the call to action button at the bottom of the page or throughout the article. Brainstorm more keywords. Oh, this is the landing page I created for easy battery reconditioning. But to get more keywords that you want to use for your ads, you can do something like, all you really need to do is type in one broad keyword, and Google will recommend a lot more keywords related to that. So go to Google Ads Keyword Planner. You can type in battery reconditioning, click on get results. Recondition car battery, we can target that. Battery reconditioning charger, battery reconditioning business, battery reconditioning. As you can see right here, top of page bid is going to be anywhere from 25 cents to $1. So you can pretty much expect to pay that when you set up your ads. And if I click the arrow right here, you can find another page of keywords. Let's see. Battery reconditioning near me, easy battery reconditioning system. So you can just pretty much handpick keywords from here. Like I said, just make a list of about 10 to 30 different keywords, because they used to teach, put, hundreds to thousands of keywords, but 9 times out of 10, if you're only spending $10 to $30 a day running ads, you're not even gonna get traffic to majority of those keywords. It's literally only gonna be 10 to 30 different keywords that actually get traffic. So there's no point in making a list of hundreds of keywords if you're not even gonna get any impressions to it. So handpick 10 to 30, you'll be good to go. And as far as ad copy, you can either take ad copy that's already working, ad copy that people's already spending money on, and basically just swipe it. You can literally copy this whole entire ad copy right here and run it for yourself. So let me see. Let me type in easy battery reconditioning right here. Easy battery reconditioning, only $47. Save old batteries. Bring old batteries back to life again. Save money and buy less. New batteries. Learn how to purchase old batteries. Blah blah blah. Perfect. You can literally copy this ad copy. Make a list of the 10, handpick 10 to 30 different keywords to set up your ad. Go to Keyword Planner if you want to use, you want to find more keywords, and set it up in Google Ads. That's literally all you have to do. Find your high converting product, come up with your ad copy, get your keywords together, create your landing page, of course, because I don't think you can direct link on Google anymore. I don't know. Don't quote me on that, but I recommend always putting a landing page in between the ad and the actual offer, preferably collecting email addresses so you can make more money on the back end. And yeah, you can easily just set up your ad literally just like that. And just to go over real quick what we just talked about, this is a basic sales funnel where they go from the ad, which is the Google ad we just set up. Well, we ain't set it up, but you know what I mean. The ad, from your ad to the landing page that, I did create a little sample landing page just for this video's sake. Right here, free video reveals how to bring old batteries back to life again. Boom, from the ad, they go straight to the offer. And of course, when they go to purchase, you get your affiliate commission. Now, like I said, that's the basic affiliate funnel. It works. It's the easiest funnel to get set up and running, and you can easily make $100 to $1,000 per day doing this. But if you want to do it consistently and profitably, I recommend with the high converting sales funnel, where basically they go to an ad, to an opt-in page where you collect their email addresses and then send them to an affiliate offer. Because like I said before, if you're not monetizing your leads on the back end, you're gonna be leaving a lot of money on the front end by not collecting email addresses. Because out of 100 people, only 1 to 5 of those people might actually purchase the first time they see it. So that's the point of building an opt-in page where we're offering them something for free, so we can follow up with them over the next 10 days, the next 20 days, the next 30 days, so we can have the highest chance on getting that sale. So that's pretty much the strategy using Google search and affiliate marketing. We find a high converting product on ClickBank, do some ad spying on Google, copy the ads, put together, handpick 10 to 30 different keywords that you're going to use to set up your ads and start driving traffic to it. And of course, you got to make a landing page for it. I recommend a more detailed landing page because I don't even know if this will get approved on Google. But yeah, making a high converting landing page and then sending them straight to the offer, or collecting the email address and then coming up with follow-up emails. But if you want to learn this strategy in detail, I do have an affiliate marketing quick start guide you can get access to for a one-time fee of only $7. I will leave a link in the description below where it pretty much goes over the basics of affiliate marketing. Let me move me out the way. Goes over the basics of affiliate marketing, private student group for everybody that go and purchase the $7 course. I go over what is affiliate marketing, what is sales funnel, email marketing, website traffic, sign up to ClickBank, how to find high converting products, email marketing setup, the sales funnel setup, how to market on Facebook. I go over all of that inside my $7 affiliate marketing quick start guide. If you want access to that, I will leave links below. But hopefully enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. I reply to everybody. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I post videos like this on a regular basis, and I will see you in the next video.